guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I applied this wig in 5 minutes. I didn't use any glue or gel or tape or adhesive or any of that. I just used mousse. It's super quick. This is basically for like people who are lazy. I feel like actually putting on their wig and just want to like throw it on without like gluing it down. If you want to see how I put my wig on in 5 minutes, then keep watching.
So this wig is from lwigs. They sent me a 14-inch wavy ombre bob, and it's also a 360 wig. So those are the details of this unit. So like always, I'm just taking some contour powder and putting that on the inside of the lace so it can match my scalp. Here I'm just taking off my wig and getting ready to try on the next one. I'm just using water to loosen up the gel. So to make the wig super tight, I'm bringing the strap and taking it all the way to the other side so that I won't have to use any gel or anything, and it will just be super tight. Now I'm taking my mousse from Argan Oil of Morocco. And this step is actually very simple. I'm just gonna pull out some baby hairs. And then just apply the mousse to the perimeter of the wig, and I'm just gonna swoop the baby hairs as if it was gel on the baby hairs and not mousse. You're basically just doing the same thing you would do if there was gel on your hair. And this is going to form and mold the baby hairs into place so that when it dries, you won't have to do anything else. You just like leave your house just like that. You don't even have to put any gel on it after unless you want to.
You really forget me, but I still believe, but I still believe. You really forget me, but I still believe, but I still believe. before, then you are not gay.